Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to change the batteries in a Tinoteen laser tag set. All you need is your, the vest, the gun, a screwdriver. This one's a little bit big. You just need a small Phillips head screwdriver. And then you need the AA batteries. If you don't have AA batteries, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get them. But you're just gonna come around the back of the vest. There's just this one screw that you need to remove. So you're just gonna remove that screw. And then this pops open here with a little clip here. And you'll just take out your 3 AA batteries here. And when you're done, you just do the opposite, put this back on. And then for the gun, it's pretty much the same. There's one screw right here. You can see the little thing. So you're just gonna come in here with a screwdriver, unscrew that, open this clip here, and it just takes 2 AA batteries. Sorry, 3 AA batteries. There's another one that slides up in here. You'll see. So pull all those batteries out, replace them, close it, put the screw back on, and you're done.